Machigni nya kwa Ramogi joang chendo ni mar ka gi kacha nyinga en James Opondo. Jagoro maduong' mar riwruog lakteche pacho ka David Atela koro chiwo andika mar ng'anyo mar ndalo 7 ne boda mar kar thieth ma Nairobi Hospital ma kaluwore gi ywak mar lakteche e kar thieth no ma wacho ni boda mar Nairobi Hospital osebedo ka tayo chenro mag kar thieth no makare ahinya to tiyo arietha gi omenda gino mabende osekelo nok mar gigo ma owinjore ti godo e yor thieth gidwaro mondo mi jata tije mar Nairobi Hospital bod mar kar thieth no ka achiel kod jata tije e yor kojolo mondo ogwe tao.
Listen to the patient. The patient is here.
We demand for immediate resignation of the chairman and the entire board of directors and the acting CEO, who we see to be a puppet of the board. The determined members of KMPD UK chair and the admitting doctors in the pursuit of these demands are hereby declaring a 7-day strike notice that if the board fails to resign, then on the 17th of December 2024, we shall all say enough is enough. And the general public and the international community, we are saying that from that day we will close the hospital.
We cannot sit back and watch as our patients suffer because of poor governance and leadership in the institution, which is causing us to even lack resources to work the way we need to work. So we have said that enough is enough, and we have to rise up, get rid of this rogue board that is mismanaging the hospital and bringing the hospital down.
My son is here with an ENT issue, and he's experiencing a lot of allergies, and me too. I came in the room around 8:39, and I have started already getting the infection, the allergies. So what I'm saying is that these facilities can be made better. We all knew that this is the best hospital ever over the years, but now we are not getting the value that we deserve in this hospital.
Commissioner mar obila gwenge manyanza Flora Mroroa oyango ni giseketo chenro mag arita makare motelo ne siku medo ni kaluwore kod chik mane ogol kod jagoro mongirore migawo mar arita ni obila duto obede e tich mano osetimore kendo gidhi chwalo arita e gwenge duto e kindego.
We established a multi-agency center which will be based at the regional police commander's office, where members of the public can call in if they have any matters of concern during this season that they would like to report to the police. And one of the numbers that they should be using, of course, is the normal 999. And for our station here in Kisumu, we will be also using the number 02035290027, which will be operational 24 hours. As you remember, the PS Internal Security and National Administration directed that all police officers who are on leave resume duty immediately. I want to report that all our police officers have reported back to duty, and they are all working, and they will be working throughout the festive season to ensure that our people enjoy their Christmas peacefully.
Director mar somo Manyanza wacho ni gwenge mag Nyanza ikore makare ne chako somo mar grade mar 9 chakre higa manyien ka oloso sikund Mabondo Township e kinde yao ayanga klese ma oseger. Director mar somo e gwenge Manyanza Lawrence Karuntumi oyango ni tielo mokwongo mar gero klese mag grade mar 9 oserumo ka tielo mar 2 to osechopo atamalo 80. Wacho ni gisani girito omenda mar gero klese tielo mar 3 mondo konye keto kenge mogik mag ikruok ne somo mar jopuonjre mar grade mar 9.
Progressively, we are putting in place facilities in terms of classrooms for the grade 9 across the region. So we are doing it in phases. So we have phase 1 that is complete. Phase 2 today is at 88% complete. And we are waiting for the allocation of the last phase, that is phase 3. Maybe within the week, so that we complete before the start of the year. The other issue is with the supply of textbooks. And I think across the region, we have supplied the grade 9 textbooks to all the schools. So 100% covered. So we are ready to have the grade 8 graduating to grade 9 for the final year of the junior secondary level or cycle.
Duol makedo kod mibadhi pacho ka EACC oyudo lope adek mag piny owacho e kaunti ma Kisumu maromo omenda milion 300 koloso odiechieng' ma kawuono. Jawach e lo duol mar EACC Eric Ngumbi wacho ni lopegi koting'o heka 7 mar sikund primar ma Victoria kaachiel kod apaya mochomo log tich ma kaunti ma Kisumu.
Kenyans may wish to know, particularly the grabbers of public land, that the law allows the Commission to engage in negotiations and alternative dispute resolution with those who have stolen from the public, with a view to assisting them to voluntarily return that which they have stolen without the necessity of waiting for the lengthy and costly litigation, which will, in the end, see them lose that land to the government.
Riwruok mar UNESCO bagoromo mageto jiwo twak ewi kaka inyalo ber somo mag mbalariany kod kuonde tiegruok e pinje Afrika ka oloso e kinde romo ma kamano. Jatend migawo mar somo Migosi Gamba owacho ni dwaro nitiere mar chano kit somo ma pacho ka mondo obed e okang' mar pinje mamoko mondo jo Kenya ma somo obed ni nyalo tie pinje mamoko mayot gi somo magiyudo Kenya ma ok gimedre.
They work on higher education programs. The main thing is to ensure that we have qualifications that are recognized across the borders so that we have labor mobility of our people or of our students who have gone through university and they have qualified, that those qualifications can be recognized across these 55 countries without the requirement of them going to be retrained. And that requirement from the market, and not just the labor market in Kenya, but the labor market across these 55 countries, so that we increase the pool to ensure that we have places where our students can go and work.
The Global Convention on Recognition of Higher Education Qualification that ensures mobility across the board, and that means that a Kenyan student can go and study not only in Europe but also in Asia, in Latin America, in Arab region and other regions that can create more opportunities for students here and abroad. But there is also the collaboration with the private sector and industry that can bring additional resources when it is unapplied research that serve the industry business, that serve industry innovation and creativity.
Joma hikgi oniang' e kaunti ma Siaya koro dwaro ni omenda ma ichulogi dwe ka dwe e bwo chenro mar Inua Jamii omedi kowuok shillings 2,000 kokalo kuom nonro ma otim e wi moko kuom midhiero ma gikalo e yude omenda ma ichulo. Jogo ma hikgi oniang' lero ni omenda no tin mokalo e kinde ma pek mar ngima oidho. Kano wuoyo e apis ruoth ma yudore Awelo e chuny boma ma Siaya e kinde mane igolo lipodno, jata chenro e riwruok mar Kenya Society for People Living with HIV and AIDS Daniel Odipo nolero ni thoth jogo mayudo sir makamae lero ni bath omenda no bende gitiyogo e chulo omenda mag wuoth e kinde magidhi kao omenda no.
Of those beneficiaries complained about the stipend to be too little, that cannot meet their basic requirements given the number, the size of the families that they are taking care of. And thereabout, they are vulnerable and cannot engage in other sources of income. 2, on the side of Inua Jamii, the study found out that 2,000 shillings is also very much minimal to accommodate the needs of those beneficiaries for a whole month. A recommendation has been put that this new scheme called Social Health Authority, it should go the personnel should go around and do enrollment to the wazees wherever they are, instead of them going to register in centralized places like, say, Huduma Center or what used to be NHIF offices.
Kawadhi nyaka pinje maoko wayudo ni club mar Wolves West Ham noloyo club mar Wolves gonde 2-1 tuke adhula lig maduong' piny mar Ingresa.